Howdy. With this video, I want to show you how to access the journal entries and what I'm looking for from you as you complete the assignment. You'll see if you look at the class schedule that journals 1 and 2 are due on Tuesday, September 3rd. We're going to do journals 2 at a time, and to show you where they're at, we're going to go to the content page for the course. On the left-hand side, you'll see the little toolbar. You'll click on Journal Entries, and you'll click on the Journal Entry Prompts. And these journal entries are free writing exercises. Basically, I want you to read the prompt or read whatever the assignment is in the prompt, and then write 125 words, just giving me your thoughts about the prompt and what you're seeing. You can agree, you can disagree with it for sure. But some of these are going to be kind of softball questions. You know, how do you write? What's your working space look like? What's been your experience with writing? This is a course for certificate students who probably didn't plan on writing essays when they came to get their certificates. But writing is a very important part of our lives, and hopefully that's one thing we're going to see by the end of class. It gives you better access to your life and better access to other people's lives. But anyway, so we're just going to do the first two questions for Tuesday. You're going to do 125 words on each one, and the first one's talking about your general experiences with writing in school. What kind of workspace do you have? I got quite a few children, so controlling my work environment can be very difficult, and trying to find a quiet space to work can be a challenge sometimes. Kind of just telling me kind of what your experience with writing is. The second one, getting maybe a little more serious. I want you to read the parable of the talents from the Bible. I'm not trying to convert anybody. You can click here to go to the reading. If you prefer a different version of the Bible, that's fine. You don't have to use the English Standard Version. But it's just talking about our talents that we're given in life or inherited or wherever our talents tend to come from, what kind of separates us from other people, and how you're going to apply that in your particular chosen field or in your personal life. So kind of a getting to know you kind of question, but a little deeper than just like, hey, what's up? This is coming as Jesus kind of talking about Judgment Day and how you might be judged at the end of your life based on whether you develop your talents or you bury them. That applies for anybody of any religious persuasion or non-religious persuasion. What are you doing with your life? Is kind of the question. But we're just going to do those first two. You're going to write 125 words on each one. I'm not grading these on English or sentence structure. Hopefully they make sense, obviously, but don't try to write the greatest journal entry ever. Just read the prompt and try and get to 125 words as fast as you can. And again, to complete these, still want you to work with the formatting. Want you to insert a page number at the top of the page on the right side. In Word, that's plain number 3. Want your last name and the page number in the header. So you count those pages. Then we're going to close the header. Make sure you go to double space. That's this up and down arrow. Click on 2.0. Want your name. Let me make that a little bit bigger there. My name. The class and section number. Oops. They have changed this class designation to AIS. That just means an independent study. Has no effect on your side whatsoever. I'm doing this on the 31st of August, so you want military style day, month, and year. For this, just for the title, just journals 1 and 2 is a perfectly good title. Make sure you get out of centering. Make sure you're centering that title. Don't tab over to center. Make sure you get out of centering. And then I have a couple already copied here. I'm kind of cheating on mine, but then you'll have 125 words on each journal entry. If you want to check your word count, you can highlight the paragraph. And down here on the lower left side, it'll tell you how many words are in that paragraph. My whole document has 310 words. This paragraph has 165 words, and that's all I need. In fact, I'm kind of overachieving a little bit with that one. But that's kind of what it should look like. You have the first journal entry, then the second journal entry. Again, trying to get to 125 words pretty much as fast as possible. The point of these is to get you just writing, not thinking overthinking it, just asking your opinion about a couple of things, trying to get to 125 words, just getting used to just typing it out as quickly as possible. So also, if you're not a particularly good keyboarder, this is a good way to work on your keyboarding skills. But you're going to put this into the Dropbox, and that is due by Tuesday night. If you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know. But other than that, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.